They say that the iPhone is the world's most popular camera. I don't know if that's true or not, but I know the best camera is the one you always have with you, and for most of us, it's your phone. The addition of the dedicated camera button starting with the iPhone 16 was an improvement, but I found it a little clumsy at times as well as oddly placed. If you're the same and want to get a grip of your smartphone photography, then this could very well be ideal. The Telesin Master Grip Kit. So not only will this kit help you take your photography or videography to the next level, it adds extra versatility too, in effect changing the way you shoot with your smartphone. You'll even get a phone case included in the package. I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max version here, although it is of course available for other handsets too. If we snap this into place, notice we do have cutouts across the bottom, as well as the camera control button, which to be honest I'm not a fan of. I always prefer full coverage on all sides, but otherwise all buttons are covered and easy to operate. We even get various holes for adding a wrist strap or even a neck or shoulder strap, making it feel like a traditional camera. Of course, the camera arrangement is open, as well as this grille cutout on the rear, which works alongside the graphene cooling shell, which we can see from the inside, a high-tech layer that efficiently dissipates heat to keep your iPhone cool and consistent. In fact, to top it off and add some extra protection, the kit even comes with a glass screen protector, along with an application template, which is a nice added touch. The star of the show is the actual grip itself though, with a plastic construction along with some added rubberized finishes to aid comfort as well as grip. It's relatively lightweight and so shouldn't add too much extra heft to the entire setup. Out of the box, the grip looks like someone took a perfectly normal camera and sliced half of it away, leaving just a MagSafe circle, and that's exactly how this attaches to the handset. MagSafe connectivity. It's rather strong too, so it won't easily come away, which is an important aspect I guess, but I do feel it's on there very securely. This now provides a much nicer grip to the side of the handset, complete with even a thumb rest on the back, making it feel much more like a traditional camera. Truth be told, it actually feels really nice, and that's the goal here, making shooting with your iPhone feel like a traditional point and shoot. The grip connects to the handset using low power Bluetooth. Of course, range is not an issue here considering it's designed to be used on the actual smartphone, and so maintaining connectivity is no issue at all. Anyways, Bluetooth controls therefore include a nice red power and shutter button up top, keep it pressed for 2 seconds to power up or down, a half press to focus, and a full press to actually take the image, just like a standard camera, with a nice tactile click too. Just in front is a rocker that can be used to control the camera zoom, as well as a custom mode dial that can be used to switch between different options and settings. This can be used alongside the custom function button up top in order to change what the dial does, all nice and easy. A final button can be used to sleep or wake the screen by holding for 2 seconds, or to switch between the front and rear cameras with a quick tap. So that's all your main camera controls right by your finger, making it not only ergonomically comfortable, but super easy to operate, again just like a traditional point and shoot. On the bottom of the grip, where you'd usually find the battery on a normal camera, is the USB-C charging port, 4 LED battery level meter, lanyard hole, and standard tripod mount. The circular button toggles the grip to serve as a power bank. At 3200 mAh capacity, it's not a big one, especially when you consider the capacity of the smartphone's own internal battery, but even then it's still better than nothing at all, and there's no cables to plug in either thanks to its wireless charging via that MagSafe connection. Talking of MagSafe, because it's a magnetic connection, you are of course not limited to using the supplied case. In fact, the kit is available in a couple of configurations, as it will work completely fine with any MagSafe compatible case or even with a naked handset, just the same. Do bear in mind though that not only will the included case help with heat dissipation due to that graphene layer, you can in fact attach the included UV filter by simply sliding it into place. And although I haven't seen them online just yet, I'm sure Telesin will open this out for other filters to be attached, such as ND or CPL for instance, all with a quick and easy sliding action. Again, depending upon the kit you choose, an optional small ring light is also included. Just like the battery in the grip, this also charges via USB-C, keeping everything nice and standard, and attaches via MagSafe directly to the outer side of the hand grip. When the light is attached, you have the choice of pointing the light in almost any direction, whether it's away from you or towards you, with a handy mirrored finish on one side so you can see yourself too. A long press in the center of the light powers it up using 3 LEDs that count up before the light comes on, a purposeful delay to avoid accidental activation. Tapping the center power button again toggles through the 3 different color temperatures, while brightness is adjusted via the built-in dial, and for a light this small it really does get rather bright. As we can see from this example, as I adjust the light up to its maximum brightness, it clearly has an impact. As a complete kit then, the Telesin Master Grip Kit really does bring camera light control to your iPhone. I really like the zoom control and mode toggle function. The magnetic hold is very strong, and the clever LED light lets you fill in those dark spots, so it all works together really nicely. Saying that, it is a little less convenient since you now have another phone accessory to carry around with you, although generally at those times when you know you're going to do lots of shooting. For those times, it's a nice, comfortable grip that makes your smartphone feel and perform like a standard point and shoot. So if you're into your photography or videography, this is certainly a kit I'd recommend.